In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a logo in Figma step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll start with basic text, customize the typography, add a matching icon using a plugin, and then export the final logo as a PNG. If you've ever wanted to make a clean, simple logo without needing expensive software, this tutorial is for you. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy design tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's open Figma and get started. First, open Figma Design and choose the text tool from the toolbar. You can usually do this by clicking the text icon or by pressing the T key on your keyboard for a quicker workflow. Once the text tool is active, click anywhere on the canvas and enter your logo text. This could be your brand name, channel name, business name, or whatever text you want your logo to display. Now that your text is on the canvas, take a look at the right-hand panel. This is where you'll find the typography settings. In the typography section, you can adjust the font size, font family, font weight, line height, and other text settings. Spend a few moments choosing a style that matches your brand. For example, if you want a modern and professional look, you might choose a clean sans serif font. If you want something more creative, you can test a few different styles until it feels right. Next, let's change the text color. In the right panel, find the fill section, click on the fill color, and a color picker will appear. From here, you can search for the exact color you want or manually select it from the palette. Once you've chosen your color, press enter to apply it. If needed, you can also adjust the fill type using the drop-down menu. This lets you switch between different fill styles depending on the effect you want for your logo. At this point, your text should already be looking more like a logo, but to make it stand out even more, we're going to add a graphic element. To do that, click the Actions icon at the bottom toolbar, then choose Plugins and Widgets. In the plugin search box, type Vector Logos and run the plugin. This tool helps you find logo-style graphics or icon elements that can work with your text. Once the plugin opens, use the search bar and enter a keyword related to your brand or the type of logo you want to create. For example, if your logo is for teaching or tutorials, type something like teaching, education, or tutorials, then click enter. The plugin will show you a list of relevant logo or vector options. Browse through the results and pick one that fits your design style. After you find the right icon or vector graphic, place it around your text however you want the logo to look. You can position it above the text, beside it, or even wrap it into the design depending on the style you're aiming for. The goal here is to create a balanced composition where the icon and text feel like one unified logo. When everything looks good, select both the text and the logo graphic by dragging over them or holding Shift and clicking each element. Then right-click and choose Auto Layout. Auto Layout helps organize the design neatly and makes it easier to align everything in a clean, professional way. You can adjust spacing if needed so the final logo looks polished and centered. Now it's time to export your logo. Look at the right panel and click Export. Choose the file type as PNG, since that's a great format for logos when you want a transparent or clean image file. After selecting PNG, click Export and Figma will save your logo to your device. And just like that, your logo is ready to use on social media, websites, thumbnails, or anywhere else you need it. So that's how to create a logo in Figma from start to finish. You started with text, customized the typography, added a vector icon, used auto layout, and exported your final design. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Figma tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.